What's up, everybody? This is Albany Sade of the Civ Experience, and here I'm just showing y'all how I'm doing this pastel, skittle, rainbow, fruity pebble, whatever you want to call it, unit. Look at that. Look at it in the water. Them colors is so vibrant. It's all in your technique. But yeah, I'm just using my brush, getting everything out. Look at the colors. It look as good wet as they do dry, baby. It's beautiful. Love Matrix. Matrix is so bomb in keeping the colors vibrant. And when I shampoo it, you gonna see it's not even bleeding. I'm like, it ain't even bleeding. Invest the shampoo and the conditioner. This particular brand of Matrix keep it vibrant. Look at them colors. Look how they melt so beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. They so gorgeous. And see, depending on how you do your techniques or any other stylist out here, however you choose to do it, the biggest and most important thing is technique. I wanted it to be proper placement so that when you combed a certain way, you see a certain color and it just highlighted in the right places. So that's why I'm just kind of combing it out, showing you all. And I cut it off camera. It is a frontal unit made on the sewing machine, round. Order you one. Civs Customs, www.civscustoms.bigcartel.com. So anyway, you see that popping, that cotton candy, that lime, that blue aqua. You know what I'm saying? That orchid. Them Kiss colors, by the way. Kiss, what's up? What's up? What's up? But yes, look at it all coming together. Beautiful. I love challenging myself, y'all. I love challenging myself. And each time is a new challenge.